Hi everybody, I'm Kristy and you're watching Miss Messy Productions. Today we're going to be talking about the Grudge, or else the Japanese, I think Japanese or Korean versions Ju-on. We're going to be talking about the strange noises that it has inside the American movies, The Grudge. I don't get why they make those noises. What I'm talking about is, if you've seen the movies, the little boy and the mom. You know how they were killed by the father, and now they curse anybody that goes in the house. There's like, I think 3 or 4 American ones now. I've seen the first 3. I like the second one, that was my favorite. But anyways, I think the little boy, the reason why he meows is because he had a cat, and the dad killed the cat too. And the cat can't come back, so maybe he's using his voice or something. I don't know, because I think the last thing the little boy heard was the cat meow, because the dad threw the cat up the wall. So that could be why. And I think, I'm not quite remember, because the last time I saw the first one was like 4 or 5 years ago. 4 or 5, not 45. I'm not that old, I promise. Anyways, they're just some weird noises. Who is scared? And the funniest part is I actually did get scared of this. I was watching the second Grudge movie. It's the first time I ever saw that one. And the little boy went, meow. Well, my cat was in my hallway right behind me. My hallway right behind me. And all I heard was, meow. And I was like, okay, because I'm just sitting there staring at the screen, and this is the first time my cat ever did this. Now she does it all the time. Goes in the hallway and starts meowing like crazy. This is the first time she ever did it, so it freaked me out, because he meowed, and like, he kept meowing, but he didn't look like he was meowing still. So it freaked me out, and then I heard in the hallway, I'm like, oh, that better be my cat. So it scared me. I had this friend named Jenny. I'm not friends with her anymore. She's a bitch. She could rot in hell for all I care. Anyways, I hope she's watching this. This is for Jenny. Anyways, she was scared by the noise. I don't know if she actually was scared by the noise, because she likes to say she's scared of everything, but I don't really think she's scared of nothing. She says she's scared of clowns, but I think she's trying to say that to be cool. And that sounds stupid, but it's true. But anyways, you go up behind her and you go, like the Grudge. She freaks out. It's hilarious. She goes into like a little ball and cries like a little baby. She's like, oh, stop it. I can't quite do it right now. I can't make it more poppy. I can't do it. Oh, well, anyways. That's the weird noises from the movie The Grudge and why they're weird.